Insulating plaster. So specifically designed to increase the thermal performance without compromising moisture management. With mineral renders or lightweight renders, insulating renders, for the mineral-based ones, they've been around for probably 20 or 30 years now. So this isn't reinventing the wheel in any way at all. It's just taking a different approach. Now, for most of these products, they tend to use vermiculite or perlite. The problem with that, well, those materials, is they have a two-dimensional structure. So I don't know if everyone can see them on the video, but if you were to imagine a piece of paper put directly up against the wall, if you put any, this being the piece of paper, if you put any pressure on that, it will crumple. So what tends to happen with these materials is you lay them on the wall, you put a float or you put any sort of pressure on them, they tend to break down, and they become much more dense. So they don't actually perform as stated. A lot of these materials do state or stipulate that you have to put them on very lightly, which in reality, it just can't be done. You have to put a trowel over it to get it flat. So the difference here is the insulating plaster just uses a unique aggregate. It's a recycled glass that goes into it, but it has a three-dimensional structure. So when you put pressure on it, it doesn't break down. And that means that it retains the voids within the plaster itself, which is where it increases the insulative value. It's non-porous, so it accelerates moisture movement through it, so it helps reduce cold bridging. And it uses NHL2, so it's designed to give you maximum permeability and use onto virtually all backgrounds. And the key thing, it's mineral based, so we're not using any wood here or any organic material. It will not break down under damp conditions. It will not rot. It gives you peace of mind long term.